For my final project, I created a character comparison lesson. The purpose of this lesson is to take the playlist and the flex model of blended learning and pair those together to create a lesson to help my fifth graders with their reading comprehension. In doing so, I'm able to individualize learning, promote student engagement, and foster collaboration amongst my students. The content that I'm focusing on is character comparison, which addresses the Common Core State Standard compare and contrast two or more characters, settings, or events in a story or drama, drawing on specific details in the text. It's a one-day-long lesson done within the classroom, and it has a Nearpod presentation, which allows direct instruction to be delivered digitally, which promotes student engagement. I also have a face-to-face component where the students work together in the classroom to create a digital sharing of their learning. Their digital sharing is done on a Flipgrid, an Anchor.fm, which becomes a podcast, or a Chatterpix, which is an awesome app. The essential question that my students will be thinking throughout their lesson is, why is it important that everyone is similar and different in our world? And they will be coming up with an answer for that at the end of their digital presentation. The expected outcome is that students will be able to know what it means to compare and contrast two characters. Students will be able to compare and contrast characters by using evidence to support their reasons. And finally, students will be able to understand the value of individual differences in books and in real life.